Anyway, I worked on this motor today. I got this cherried exhaust on here and got my headers all hooked up here and looking good. And I got me some real fuel line, a real good one, German grade fuel line. So we're gonna check this out. I got me the filter back there now because I don't have to worry about it getting crap in here now. So I got the all cleaned out and stuff like that. So we got a real good setup here now. So we'll just see how this thing sounds. I can't wait to hear it. And anyway, let's check it out. I also installed an oil pressure light, so I know that if the engine's getting oil pressure or not. So let's see how we do it. Oh, I forgot to hook the power up. Knucklehead. There we go. Let's hook this power up here. That's why I won't spark. Okay, now see that light's on. Alright, so now let's try this out. Check that out. The light went out. Get this over here. Screwdriver around here somewhere. I just forget where to put it. We'll drop it.